Burns yn pinio. Dwi'n bell ar a Will Evans yn unig, yn rheoli'n dda. Evans, o tydi Venables ddim yn mynd i ddal i fyny ag o Will Evans yn ergydion cael ei chlirio ag yn bell ar a Will Evans ac yn ôl i Evans am odfeddi heibio'r postyn. Cyfle cynta'r gêm i Met Caerdydd. Rosgro, cyfle i droi. O mae Kelly yn gyflymach. James i Jones. James! O'r bitiad gwych gan Dan Evans. Wedyn symudiad da, symudiad chwym gan y bala. Ond yr ergu dros y bar. Burns ar dafliad i Horwood. Smith yn ei chodi hi tuag at y postyn pella. James! O, heibio'r postyn! Cyfle arall i Stephen James. Evans, tuag at Gito Williams. O'r bel, Emily Lewis. O, mae'n cael ei wthio drosodd gan Venables. Mae honna'n gic o'r smotin. Na di! Medda'r dyfarnwr, mae honna'n benderfyniad dadleuol a deud y llia. Y bel i fewn. Emily Lewis, o, edrycho Venables i mar y bel. Yn y funud ola o'r 90. Evans. Baker, di o methu clirio chwaith. A Kelly o'n taro'r bar. A pa mor agos oedd y bala i gipio'r gêm o fanna. Amddiffyn Blair gan y myfyrwyr a Kelly mor agos. Yn yr amser ychwanegol felly, Rosgro o'n curo Stephen J. Jones ac unwaith eto yn ei sgwario i nôl i Evans o'r bitiad da gan Morris. Horwood o'n syth i McCarthy. Evans yn ôl, Neil i groesi, mae'n groesio da hefyd Evans! Elliot Evans! A rhoi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen, 8 munud o'r amser ychwanegol wedi cael ei chwarae. Neil ar groesiad o'r marcion ofnadwy, ond Evans yn ei chladdu hi. Y bala yn dal i chwilio am ffordd nôl i'r gêm. Pearson, Smith, Hayes. Traed cyflym gan Hayes, ond i chwarae hi drwad i James i newid i'r sgôr. Na di, arbediad arall mae'r bel dal yr rhydd. Hayes o'r syth at Evans. Wel, cyfle uraidd i Stephen James i gychwyn â ni, wedyn Mike Hayes. Dim yn ddiwrnod i James. A'r bel yn rhydd, a Hayes arbeniad, ond Evans yn y lle iawn. Cornel i'r myfyrwyr. Bel yn cael ei chlirio nôl i Elliot Evans. I groesi. Rosgro i selio'r fuddugoliaeth! Na di, mae'r chwiban yn mynd, mae o'n cam sefyll. Gafodd Rosgro gyffyrddiad i'r groesiad ydy'r cwestiwn. Ond efalla bod Met Caerdydd di wneud digon pryd bynnag.
Any kind of victory at Bala is a good victory, and as you rightly say, the weather conditions didn't really help for a free-flowing cup tie, but it was about one goal. I think one goal would have done it today, and that turned out to be the case for ourselves. I think our fitness will always carry us through, and I thought that was the case. You could see towards the end of the second half that 1 or 2 of the lads were going down, injured, cramped, etc., etc. We just were striving through, and that was the case. I felt was the case, and we were sharper, brighter. I felt in extra time, and probably in the last 15-20 minutes of the second half as well.
Yeah, I felt from the first half. I said one goal will be the winner. And they've taken it, you know. Like I said, the cross comes in, another free header. And then just we've taken our chances. Thames had a great chance, passes it to Henry. He's had another good chance at the top end. Caden Smith should have shot when he's passed it, but you know, I thought a lot of decisions went against us today. But overall, the performance is really good. But like I say, it's no good coming in and saying we're playing well, but we're losing. I'd rather play bad and lose than win the game.
I think we have to take Monday evening's draw into consideration and see what happens there. But why not? Why can't we go there to the cup final, another cup final, and hopefully win that? But it's really important that we keep momentum going. We know that we've got a tough split to play in that 7th spot. We're chasing that as well. So yeah, we're doing okay at the moment. Yeah,
it's obviously down to the playoffs. That's our only route now. So you know, we've got to try and finish 4th, and hopefully that will give us two home fixtures in the semi-final situation with the playoffs. But there's a long way to go. There's a lot of points to play for. You know, we've got another tough game at Carnarvon next week, and we'll pick ourselves up. The lads are absolutely gutted. There's still a good feel in the dressing room, and you know, we'll bounce back and give it everything we've got. The last 3 or 4 weeks we've played really well, but we just haven't had our just rewards. But You know, it's been a little bit. I think a lot of things have gone against us this season, and hopefully, if it's a load of averages where they turn and come the other way, then we're due a lot of luck and a lot of good decisions against the ones that have gone against us.